You want to design shoes in 3D, but don't know where to start? Footwear design is complex. Proportions matter. Measurements matter. And starting from the wrong base can slow everything down. That's why we created OmniLast. OmniLast is a fully customizable shoe last built specifically for Blender. Designed around real-world measurements and realistic proportions, it gives you a reliable foundation for professional footwear design in 3D. OmniLast supports UK, US, and French sizing systems, so you can work with familiar standards and design with confidence. Design sneakers, sports shoes, fashion footwear, high heels, and even highly specialized shoes are possible. No guesswork, no rebuilding from scratch, just a flexible, professional base. OmniLast. One last, limitless possibilities. When your last is finalized, it needs to be flattened. For this purpose, we developed the Footwear Flattening Toolset. The Flattening Toolset is available for free inside Blender extensions. Simply open Preferences, go to the Extensions tab, search for Flattening Toolset, and press Install. The toolset brings professional pattern-making tools directly into Blender. It is designed for a complete UV workflow for all kinds of symmetrical and partially symmetrical products. In the Settings tab, start by defining your real-world canvas size. Enable Live Unwrap to see your UV layout update instantly while working. We also collected essential Blender functions in one place for a faster workflow without searching through menus. Shoe lasts are built around a forefoot axis and a heel axis. Our OmniLast is designed so that edge loops are precisely placed, allowing perfectly centered 2D patterns. With Flatten to Center, you can place the forefoot axis exactly in the middle of your UV space, making symmetrical pattern development simple and accurate. Pattern engineers often average out the heel area to enable symmetric constructions. Mirror pairs allow you to create symmetries and average UV points. Auto-sort helps identify corresponding points on both sides. We also added labels for clear visual feedback throughout the entire workflow. Scale to Canvas locks your UVs to real-world dimensions. The checker texture shows exactly how your pattern will look, including scale and grain direction. If your pattern engineers already provide flattened layouts, you can adapt your UVs to existing curves. Import curves directly into the UV canvas and assign edge lines to them. The UV layout will stretch precisely into the defined curve shapes. Ready for production? Extract UV curves converts your patterns into real curves. Export them, for example, as SVG files for further use in other applications. Working on variations? Transfer UVs instantly between lasts or other meshes. Same topology? Direct copy. Different meshes? Surface sampling finds the closest match. Footwear Flattening Toolset. Real-world measurements. Curve-based alignment. Perfect mirroring.